Hello everybody, this is John again. Today I'm working on a project here in Media PA. I'm doing a shower remodel slash repair. Let me show you. So this is the project. We're already into the project, we already started. So we were called here to actually, there was a major problem. The problem is that this particular shower somehow it failed, the waterproofing failed, and it started leaking downstairs onto the study room. So we're called here to identify the problem and do the best we can to fix it. Actually, we are here to fix it. Here used to be a glass block. That was glass block over here, and we took it off because it was rather very claustrophobic and too dark in the space. We took it down. We're going to be installing here a clear glass, tempered clear glass, just like the door, so that will make the space look more friendly, a lot more open, and of course a lot more open. As you can see, we removed the wet bed. Basically, this fellow before here did not have a wet bed. It was a concrete bed. It took forever for us to put it up. We managed. And as you can see, the drain here, it has lots of calcium buildup, which we got to clean. We still have to do a little work to remove the old pen liner and find exactly where, try to pinpoint exactly where the problem was, which we already found a couple of problems, especially around the drain. They had a very bad sealed, either it aged or was not right from the get-go. I really don't know. All I know is we still have to remove the bottom tiles, at least one row, to pull up the old paint liner and replace it and install a new drain assembly. So basically, that's about it over here. Okay, we should be done. I would say in a couple of weeks. And this is a very nice bathroom, as you can see, a very, very nice bathroom. It really does not need a lot. It's nice cathedral ceilings and all. It's a beautiful bathroom. It doesn't need a lot. It just needs to be done the right way. Okay, and that's what we're here for. Okay, just check back with me in a couple of weeks and you can see the finals. Thank you, bye-bye.